Waldmann's RL70LE Machine Light puts a modern twist on the traditional industrial tube light by improving it with the advantages provided by LED technology. The light is built to last with several different tube materials. Strong borosilicate glass for resistance against coolants, lubricants, and other volatile liquids, and impact-resistant acrylic or polycarbonate materials ideal for food industry or outdoor applications, and sealed IP67 rated construction. It also features a much longer bulb life than a traditional fluorescent light, rated for 50,000 hours of maintenance-free operation, and a bright 5000 K color temperature for clear, bright vision. It is available in 6 different lengths and a choice of different tube materials and mounting options, making it an excellent choice for virtually any application where toughness and strength are key requirements. You can view our full selection of Waldmann products and more at Galco.com.